Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Typito to create social video variations faster. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update Typito for faster social video variations, start by launching the Typito application on your device. Navigate to the dashboard to access your existing projects. Select the project you want to work on. Once inside the project, check for any notifications indicating an available update. If an update is available, click on the prompt to begin the updating process. Follow on-screen instructions to complete the update. After the update, explore the new features to enhance video creation. Go to the Templates section to find fresh designs optimized for social media. Choose a template that fits your brand and style. Make necessary adjustments to the text and visuals using the new editing tools. Utilize the bulk editing option to streamline the creation of multiple video variations. Adjust the aspect ratio for different social media platforms within the settings. Once you're satisfied with the edits, preview each variation to ensure quality. Finally, select the export option to render your videos. Check the settings to confirm the video format and resolution you need. Click the export button to start the rendering process. After rendering is complete, download your videos for sharing on social media. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.